Kaslam ai jing nang jing start kabala rembha kabala seng na kabanta ban pen priang ya ka jing nang jing start ka St Edmunds College Shillong ya kabala seng house nam khat khandai spa art pulai menta kala Pynkhreh ban rakhi ya ka jing dap umau mer pa shi spa snam jong ka jing yat lenti ka ne ka college habaya kran bot babu Sylvester Lamari ubadai u principal ka college uloong ya ka ne jingrakhe on play pat ba ha ka santare ku nai wing arajar arpuar bat ka bandai ru ka jingrakhe baro shisnam haringkat bat ka jingshim mentalang jong ki samla puli ki blarim jong ka ne ka college Ubabu Lamari ulapan tepru bahaka ne jingrakhe kindan ki outreach program yak ba anle da kitnat puli bope jong ka college bat ki bakan thopru yak UBA ka NSS ka NCC bat kumjoru ki jingpen bernya hakapot katam bat ki wei de
inter-college games, musical performance and other programs which will be shared with the member of the press from time to time as and when we arrange these programs. Now, what is the speciality for the centenary? Our special plan for the centenary is that as we embark into an important venture of the Government of India, that is the new education policy 2020, we want to be meaningful to society in assisting youth to get an education that will make the young people employable. We know it is not easy, but we think it's worth trying to give our best. In the past, we have assisted young people, as I mentioned earlier, where they have discovered their aims in life. And we want to be meaningful in our imparting our education. We educate young people to be true to themselves, to discover their potential, and to live up to the motto of the college, that is, Fakta non verbal, deeds not words.